In this video, we will be covering the numericals of the cost. Now, following information is given about a firm. Output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your total cost 150, 300, 420, 600, 790, 1000 and 1260. Now, from this find out AFC, and these are the 5 things you have to find out. So your output is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? Your total cost at 0 is 150. See, if at 0 output your total cost is 150, which means they have given you your total fixed cost, because if there is no output produced, still you are incurring a cost, then it is a cost, fixed cost. 150, 150, 150. This will be the fixed in the short run at all the levels of output, right? Now the total cost is given to you 300, 420, 600, 790, 1000 and 1260 is the total cost. Now you have to find out your average fixed cost first, and then they have asked you the average variable cost. For that you have to find out your variable cost. Then you can find out your average variable cost. Then you have to find out your marginal cost. Then you have to find out your total variable cost that you find out. And then your average cost, least average cost. So these are the costs that you have to find out from this given information. Now your average fixed cost is your total fixed cost divided by your output, that is 150 divided by 0 will be nothing, your infinity. Then 150 divided by 1 is your 150, 150 divided by 2 is 75, 150 divided by 3 is 50. Then you have 150 divided by 4 is your 37.5. Then 150 divided by 5 is 30. 150 divided by 6 is 25. So this is how we find out your average fixed cost. Now your variable cost. How we will find out your variable cost now? Total cost minus your fixed cost gives you your total variable cost. 150 minus 150 will be nothing. Then 150. Then 420 minus 150, 270. 600 minus 150 is your 450. 790 minus 150 is 640. Then 1000 minus 150 is 850. 1260 minus 150 is 1110. So this is, you can find out your total variable cost. Now average variable cost. How you can find out your average variable cost? The formula is your total variable cost divided by your quantity. Here you will get nothing. Then you will get 150. Your total variable cost is this line and your output is this. So 150 divided by 50 is 150. 270 divided by 2 is 135. 450 divided by 3 is 150. Then 640 divided by 4 is 160. 850 divided by 5 is 170. Then 1110 divided by 6 will give you 1805. Now marginal cost. Now what is marginal cost? Marginal cost is the addition to your total variable cost, that what you have got. Now the addition to the total cost is your marginal cost. Here the addition is 300 minus 150, 150. 420 minus 300 is 120. 600 minus 420 is 180. Now 790 minus 600 is 190. 1000 minus 790 is your 210. And 1260 minus 1000 is 260 is your marginal cost. Now your average cost. Now what is your average cost? Your total cost divided by your output. This will be infinity again. Now your total cost is this, your output is this. 300 divided by 1 is 300. 420 divided by 2 is 210. 600 divided by 3 is 200. 790 divided by 4 is 197.5. 1000 divided by 5 is 200. And 1260 divided by 6 will give you 210. So this is how you have made the table. Now you can give the answers of all these. Your average fixed cost at 3 units. 3 units, your average fixed cost is 50, right? AVC of producing 4 units. Your average variable cost of producing 4 units is 160. Then least average cost level of output. Where is the least cost? At unit 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. At unit 4, right? MC of producing 5 units. Your marginal cost of producing 5 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 210. Your TVC of producing 6 units, total variable cost of producing 6 units is 1110. So in this way you can find out all the given information from this table if you know what are the formulas and if you know how you can calculate it. Now this is the other question we have, that is complete the following table. See, output is given to you, your total variable cost is given, and these hyphens that I have made, you have to complete the following table from it. Now see, your total variable cost is given, your output is given. So average variable cost is total variable cost divided by output. So this will be 20. Same way, 54 divided by 3 gives you 16. Sorry, 18. So 18 will be your average variable cost. This 2 you find out. Now you can find out your marginal cost is 12, right? So here your marginal cost is 20 because nothing is above it, so your marginal cost is 20. Now your marginal cost is the addition of total variable cost. So this plus this will be 32 because 32 minus 20 will be the marginal cost. 32. 32. 16 you have got as average variable cost. 32 you have got as total variable cost. Quantity you can find out. 32 divided by 16, which is 2. In this way. Now you can find out the marginal cost. 54 minus 32 will give you 22. Now this again we found out. Now this means adding 26 to 54, your marginal cost plus 54 will give you the total variable cost of the next unit. That will be 54 plus 26 will be 80. Now you can find out the unit by dividing 80 by 20, you will get 4. In this way we have completed this table and find out the missing images. This is the other way of question that you can get in your CBSE board exams. I hope you like our video. Please download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.